Alright everyone, it's top 8. It's Bruno Medeiros. It's the guy that still doesn't have a name, and I ran out of roommates, so I just got a friend to give me a name, and he chose Yellow Jacket McShitfuck. And now, we are starting top 8 men's side. I need to stop hitting that thing. It's probably coming up on the mic, but I'm just excited. This one's underway. Bruno immediately gets hit with a famouser. And these are two men that are both picked up what might be considered upset wins so far in this tournament. Yellow Jacket here beating David Gardner, the winner of the December Invitational, as well as Bruno beating KJ Alexander back in the round of 24, which was not seeded to happen. As the Qatar pressure comes in from Yellow Jacket going into the cover. Only a 1. And remember folks, again, this is top 8 rules. So it's double elimination. We'll be seeing one of these two men compete twice tonight. Gotta feel whoever it is does not want that. As McShitfuck calls Bruno to his feet and completely misses on that crossbody. The forearm connects with Bruno. Bruno going up and over with the thrust kick. And now bending back the leg. I wanted to say thank you everyone for all the support so far, by the way, with the tournament. And I'm sorry if my commentary's not been as great. I have been sick. But the only thing I care about right now is the sick action happening in the ring as Bruno is just getting a chance to get the upper hand over Yellow Jacket. As you see him bending those arms back, using the devil powers. Now lifting up Yellow Jacket, goes for a big boot, not able to get it off the ropes. Cutter spikes his head into the mat. And now just stomping in the gut, lifting him up. Just imposing his superior size on the matchup. And now, just a punch to the balls. And of course, Bowtie referee using referee's discretion. I personally would have called it a DQ, but hey, I'm not the one in the bow tie. Was able to get the 1 there. Now another famouser to Bruno. And going up top, possibly looking for double stomp. No, instead goes for the frog splash. And he hits it. Once again, going for the power. Just tossing him around like he's nothing. And this time they're getting the double stomp. Is that it? No, not just yet. Bruno able to kick out after the double stomp, but you've got to feel McShitfuck's got him right where he wants him. Calling him up, frostbite. No, gets caught up into a power slam. And now Bruno going for the Satanista slam. And did Bruno just clutch victory from the jaws of defeat? Not just yet. But what a turnaround, and now turning himself around, looking for that setup for the brother Bruno as he crawls his way across the ring. In that crab walk. Bruno poised to strike. Giving him a kiss goodnight, brother Bruno connects. Into the cover, hooks that outside leg. But no, not able to get the 3 off brother Bruno, and Bruno's pissed. Going off the top, leg drop with the springboard. Just absolutely beating the brakes off of Big shit fuck here. Big Boot takes him down. Pops him up. Hurricane Rana into the punches. Show of athleticism there. And Bruno, who has the match in his favor. He does not want to lose it now. Goes up top, big boy off the top. And again, going to that place, feeling a little bit different. Stalking his way towards. And now poised to strike. Got him gripped up. Brother Bruno, no, he escapes it. Backdrop driver! Dumps him on his head. Bruno's up. Gets caught. Snake Eyes him on the top rope. And now going back up top, looking again to call him to his feet. Frog splash into the crossbody. Looking for that finishing touch. Frostbite! 1, 2, 3, no! Bruno, still alive! Another double stop from Yellow Jacket McShitfuck. And again, Frostbite connects. New Japan finish. That'll do it. The New Japan finish seals the deal for Yellow Jacket. And Bruno Medeiros sent into losers bracket. And what a run so far for Yellow Jacket McShitfuck. I mean, making it out of top 24. Beating Mac Daddy Furnace, beating the win of the December Invitational, now beating Bruno Medeiros. What a win. What a series of wins. And now it's just to see who he has to face in top 6. And I'm going to have to find more people to give me more names because I'm out. As now, though, we move on to a rematch from last tournament. Crazy Angel versus Aaron Wesley. A match that, it certainly happened before, and it's certainly happening again. Now Crazy Angel trying to get to a hot start here, but, of course, the question on everyone's mind, can he hit the Swanton? Because if not, it's going to be more of the same. Last match we saw him go for it about 10, maybe 20 times on Aaron Wesley. And Aaron Wesley had some sort of inhibitor field, or maybe Crazy Angel was just concussed. But he could not hit that fucking Swanton, and it was starting to piss me off. We'll see if I will continue to get angry here tonight. As Crazy Angel right now just bullying the bigger competitor, kinda. Now, double backstabber. And again, moonsault. Taking down the bigger competitor, then taking down that mountain of a man that is Aaron Wesley. Hooking that tree trunk leg, only able to get a 1. And Wesley now finally getting Crazy Angel on the back. Big boy! The move that won him the match last time. A second one this time. Angel ready for it. drop kick, not able to keep Aaron down. Aaron's got him up on his shoulders. Goes for the snake eyes there, and another big boy. Now the jabs, the hooks, just a slap there, now slamming him down. Aaron Wesley in his element right now. Oh, but Angel fighting back. Now kick to the gut though. These two very evenly matched, very back and forth, just like last time. But this time Aaron Wesley continuing to use his power. Just lifting him back up from a seated position after the Alabama. What has he got in mind here? Send him to the high red district. Aaron Wesley looking for top rope superplex. And look at the strength on display off the top. That's a super duper plex if I've ever seen it. Into the cover. No. Aaron Wesley now picking up Crazy Angel. Going for the ground zero. Angel trying to get away. Taking out the knee of Wesley. Goes for the forearm, not able to get it. Instead gets caught, follow away slam position, and just slammed down. Angel though able to sweep out the legs from under Wesley. Goes for the enziguri. Wesley got it blocked. Ducks the line, flips under. Spinning head scissors. And now, oh Jesus, it's starting again. That's one. Connects with the code breaker there, turning around Wesley. Come on, man. That's two. We've seen him be able to hit it, just not against Aaron Wesley. And now he hits the head scissors, gets him down to a horizontal base, only a 1 count. Lifting him up once again. Aaron Wesley with the knee to the gut. Sends him into the corner. Punch to the gut. And now another one, just huge, heavy hands. And tosses him with the heel. Wesley now feeling himself a little bit. Off the rope shoulder tackle. And another one. Aaron Wesley firing it up. Just imposing his power over Crazy Angel off that side bomb. But not enough. Crazy Angel trying to go for the tiaras there, not quite able to get it. Instead gets palmed down like a basketball. And again, just getting tossed and sauced all over the ring. And now, into the corner goes Angel. Aaron Wesley has been in firm control for a lot of this match. Angel trying to get something going here. And now, oh Jesus. 3 times. He has missed the swanton. And now after the Alabama Slammer goes for the cover, Angel still able to kick out. Now though, wait a second, code red. Maybe a chance to turn the tides here from Angel. As now, flatliner. And Angel beginning to fire it up. Getting back into this matchup. Another crazy, 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 crazy. That standing C4 and the Enziguri to the side of the head. Off the, oh God, please. Damn it, 4. Sure, go for the cover as if you hit it. We'll affect it in post. No, of course not. You fucking... If my father is watching this, I'm sorry for the language. Crazy Angel just upsets me as he hits another Enziguri to the side of the head. And another Enziguri to the side of the head. Could we see the hat trick? A third Enziguri to the side of the head, trying to concuss Aaron Wesley at this point. Now, ducks the line, DDT plants him. And a kick to the gut. Crazy Angel has been able to keep Wesley down, and maybe commentator's curse on that one, I am sorry. Angel is now sent to the corner. And again, being put up to that high med district, but this time Angel fighting his way out of it. And again, turns him around into the DDT. Kicks him in the gut. Will we see number 5? And we do. And now going for it again. Perhaps number 6 is the lucky one. Nope. It's now a head scissors take him down. I mean, if he could just hit the Swanton, Wesley's been dead to rights for most of this match. And Wesley now, sick of playing the games, just strikes him right in the side of the head. And drops him back first on that apron. The hardest part of the ring. Now Wesley. Oh, Jesus. Getting him up into a guillotine there. Maybe just trying to choke out Angel on the outside. Aaron Wesley is sick of it. He is sick of this little masked luchador. He's sick of getting kicked in the side of the head by an Enziguri. Now Aaron Wesley sends Crazy Angel to the corner, big punch! And now ducks the line, cuts him in half with the spear. Hooks the leg, please be over, no! No! Crazy Angel still kicks out. And the crowd chanting both these guys, I could not disagree more. Aaron Wesley trying to finish off Crazy Angel. As Angel now has him up on his feet. And another DDT just plants him, this time reopening that constantly gushing eye of Aaron Wesley. This time he's got him set up number 7, no! Lucky number 7, a surefire hit. And this time Aaron Wesley actually moved out of the way. Ground 0. Oh, what a heartbreaker. 2. Aaron Wesley. Damn, man. Storytelling. The one time he was gonna hit it, Aaron Wesley moves. Hits the ground 0. Puts this one away. 1 ground 0 was all it took. There was 7 attempts at the Swanton. 1 ground 0. Wesley. Gotta give it to him. But, what a interesting contest. We will now see Aaron Wesley in top 6 against whatever the guy is going to be named. And now we will see who else is in top 6. We have Gangrel going up against BHJ. And we saw Gangrel beat Kyle Moore back in the round of 16 to get here. You've got to feel BHJ, a part of him was hoping it'd be Kyle Moore in this position, not Gangrel, so that he could get a chance to prove himself, to redeem what happened at the last month's turn with the December Invitation. Right now, I'm sure BHJ isn't too focused on personal vendettas. An opponent is an opponent, and he wants to make it to top 6 on winner's side. Now Gangrel trying to get himself into this match, but BHJ refusing to be denied, goes for the neck breaker, gets caught, and now pulls through Rainmaker. Only a 1 count there from Bowtie Ref. Gangrel springing off the ropes with the youth of a man half his age. That's what you get when you are a vampire warrior that fangs and also bangs. BHJ now fighting his way out of the corner. Powerbomb position. Just jackknifes him. And now going up top. Huge splash from BHJ. Into the big boy, but Gangrel got the knees up. Goes for a knee, BHJ goes for a clothesline. Neither man able to get what they wanted. And now Gangrel just tossing him up and over, Jesus. Gangrel quite proud of himself. He's now lifting up. BHJ hits him with a backhand Jones of his own. As now BHJ taunting Gangrel. Trying to take the fight to him early. Punch the gut chop, just repeated chops there. Huge line, barely getting the end of it, and now that one a full lariat. Swings the leg. Johnny and BHJ is in firm control of this match. Lateral press. No, only 2. BHJ lifts up Gangrel, backhand Jones. Knocks him down. BHJ waiting for Gangrel to get to his feet. The Hunter being hunted, but Gangrel gets him with a punch to the gut. Has him up on his shoulders. Discus punch. And a moonsault. Gangrel doing what he can to get back in control. Oh, and now looking for a shade out of Kyle Moore's playbook. Got the Cobra clutch crossface locked in. BHJ able to elbow his way out. Knee to the gut though from Gangrel. Burning lariat, and that was the beginning of the end. The previous matchup isn't the beginning of the end here. No, not just yet. Could still be the beginning, but it's going to take a bit more than that. Kick to the gut though, this could do it. Impaler! And BHJ is down and out. Gangrel goes to the cover, middle of the ring, nowhere near the ropes. BHJ got nothing to grab onto. Gangrel able though to keep on the attack, not wanting to let BHJ get too much of a reprieve after kicking out of that Impaler DDT, but now it's BHJ's back in control. Is now lifting him up. Punch to the gut gets blocked, connects with one of his own, does Gangrel. Now punch to the jaw, punch to the gut. The strikes of BHJ coming in clutch right now. Sending Gangrel up to the high vent district. Gangrel refusing the property. Now another one. Impaler. Hooks the outside leg. Surely 2 of them is enough. Oh, BHJ able to kick out. And you're seeing Gangrel argue with Bowtie Ref, but for once, Bowtie Ref completely right. Northern Lights. And BHJ's right back up after the Northern Lights. Picking up Gangrel back. And Jones. 1, 2. A second backhand, Jones not able to get the job done. BHJ now lifting him up, got the choke locked in, trying to make Gangrel pass out. And Gangrel forced to submit. The damage done. Either pass out or tap out. BHJ with the win. Very back and forth matchup. Gangrel still has a shot in losers bracket. And if he continues to fight as well as he's been fighting so far in this tournament, he's going to have quite a good shot of still making it pretty far. And BHJ now making his way to top 6. Let's see who joins him. Could it be the man who eliminated him last time, Jet Mulligan, or another newcomer in Billy Hacksaw? Only one way to find out. This one gets underway. Jet Mulligan making it all the way to grand finals last time before losing to David Gardner. On the way they're beating Kyle Moore, Aaron Wesley, BHJ, Kenta, and taking it to a fall 3 as well. Gotta keep in mind, but right now, Billy Hacksaw isn't treating him like he's someone who plays second in the first tournament. He's treating him just like any other wrestler, giving him the clap once again. Now, back suplex. Hacksaw got him lifted up. Jet Mulligan yet to really get into the opening phases of this match. It's been all Hacksaw so far. Commentator's curse, shooting star press. And now going up top. What in the hell has he got in mind from all the way out here? Lighting it up, drop kick off the rope. And now, Moonsault not able to get it. As Billy Hacksaw sends him in the corner, tosses him aside like some trailer park trash. So now, wait a second, powerbomb time. Connects. But Jet Mulligan, Giri gets him back into this one. Moonsault keeping the pressure on. And now, stopping in the arm. He knows how dangerous the spear is from Billy Hacksaw. He does not want him to hit that and have him lose just as all his other opponents before him have lost. A little jumbled over my words there, folks, but regardless, Jet Mulligan now, yank knee! And lifting him up. Sending him into the corner. Oh, wait for the up and over, not able to get it. Just a back elbow. Blocks the Bimmy to Jimmy. Side headlock takeover. Kick to the chest and another one. Uh-oh, catches the arm. That time headbutt. Lariat, no, blocked. Or dodged rather. Up and over. DDT. And a knee to the side of the dome piece there from Mulligan. Going up top. Naked shooting star. And another one this time though, Hacksaw ready for it. Now, giving him the clap once again. got him up, electric chair. Nothing fancy about that, just dropping him. Going into the cover now. Is the damage done? Oh, not just yet. Now knee to the side of the head to Mulligan. This goes up and over once more. DDT just tossed over. Big punches. And that one takes Mulligan right to the ground. And that lariat, almost a forearm shot. Billy Hacksaw drops him from great heights. Goes for the splash, Mulligan able to escape. Forearm shot, trying to fight his way back into this one. The kicks, back fist. Speedy Aura. Mulligan goes up top, maybe thinking flight to New York. Hits it flush. Into the cover. 1, 2. Oh. Mulligan picking him up, trying to not give Billy Hacksaw even a second to get his breath here, to get his bearings. Tosses him all the way into the other corner. Up and over. And we've seen this before. Tiger. Fate kick. Knocks him out. Going up top, looking for the finishing shot. Flight to New York gets blocked. Billy Hacksaw, spear! Right on the money. Why Mulligan able to kick out? Now lariat! Takes him down, picks him right back up, spear again! New Japan finish, eat your heart out. Billy Hacksaw picks up the win. What a match from these two. Neither one giving an inch, but in the end, Billy Hacksaw continues his run through this tournament. He faces BHJ now in winner's bracket. And Jet Mulligan, we will see not too long from now going up against Gangrel in our final match of the night. But that is all from winner's side for tonight. Now we move on to losers. Bruno Medeiros versus Crazy Angel. Now, I may have said some unsavory things about Crazy Angel in his previous match. I will try my best to be unbiased here tonight against Bruno Medeiros. As now both these men, Bruno having a great tournament thus far, and Crazy Angel, you know, having another memorable match with Aaron Wesley, to say the least. Unfortunately, only one of these men's bracket run will continue after tonight. As now the half-hatch knee strikes connect to Crazy Angel. Now going down into the ground and pound. Jesus, just that huge elbow right across the mask. And now another one, this time though. Crazy Angel using maybe that inhibitor field that Aaron Wesley used against him last month to his benefit this time. As now going up top. Calling, sizing Bruno Medeiros up. Huge shotgun dropkick. But now, little AA from Bruno and just slamming the head into the mat repeatedly. Now just stomping in the chest of Crazy Angel. Not stopping. continues to use the dark arts of Peter England. Crazy Angel. You also have to keep in mind, even though they both lost their matches, Crazy Angel's match went a lot longer than Bruno's. Crazy Angel, maybe not as close to 100% as Bruno is right now. And we're seeing Bruno take full advantage of that. Headbutt right to the skull. Picking him back up. Oh, but Crazy Angel getting a moment here. Irish Whip sends him to the outside. Crazy Angel getting a moment of reprieve, getting a moment to catch his bearings. And Bruno not having any of it. Neck breaker on the outside. So I'm tearing at the mask a little bit to hit that bionic elbow, and now back into the ground and pound. Bruno got him up here. Oh, but got a bit indecisive of how he wanted to hurt Angel. Now Angel's the one that gets to inflict the punishment, sends him back into the ring. Bruno, though, goes for the chop, gets caught with the punch. Moonsault connects. Now a kick right to the back. He lifts him up. Goes for the lariat, big dodge by Bruno. German suplex releases him. Now try and just tear out that joint, just pop the shoulder of Crazy Angel. But now Jawbreaker gets both men to a vertical basis. Oh, and he's got him up. Crazy Angel calling for it, Tiger Fate kick. And now goes for it again, but again, Bruno able to dodge out of the way just as Wesley did. Satanista slam! And hooks that outside leg. That should do it. No! Continuously slamming the back of the head. Now just targeting the back. And that's the thing about the dark arts moves of Peter England. It targets that back, which he's been doing all match long. And now I think Bruno is ready to put this one to bed. As he crawls towards Crazy Angel. The subdued Satanist waiting for his moment to strike. Lifts him up. Brother Bruno, no! Crazy Angel escapes, but gets caught. Burning lariat! Off the rope, leg drop. Lifts him up. Bruno not giving him any chance to capitalize off the missed Brother Bruno. As he continues to beat down Angel. Angel had that flurry. He had that moment where he was, if he had hit that swanton, it might have gone his way, but it has been all Bruno Madeiro since then. Now just laying in the shots. Crazy Angel trying his best to keep his guard up. I think knowing that Crazy Angel might have the Brother Bruno scouted, going for something else. Showing Crazy Angel that there is no way out. Falls into the cover, and Bruno's in top 6. You gotta give it up to Crazy Angel. He fought one hell of a tournament. But Bruno Medeiros just had his number towards the end. There you saw the Satan Easter Slam, which was the beginning of the end of it all. On here you see it, no way out. There's no way out of losers for Crazy Angel. Hell of a tournament run, but now we see Bruno making it to tomorrow, to top 6. All that's left to know is who will be joining him in that top 6. He will be facing the loser of BHJ and Billy Hacksaw. But now it's time for those two winners, the people they beat, and must now face off. Gangrel fighting for his tournament life, as is Jet Mulligan. This is not a unfamiliar position for Mulligan. He has been in losers before. In fact, he spent most of last tournament in losers. He's wanting to make a similar style of run here again. Now off the ropes. Lariat not able to get the guard up in time was Gangrel. Is now going up top. Not seen it all tournament long. Double rotation moonsault. Goes into the cover. That nearly got the win right then and there. But I just noticed, yeah, Jet Mulligan has not gone for that moonsault all tournament long after it kind of cost him Grand Finals last in December. Perhaps finally starting to warm back up to the move here against Gangrel as he tries to wear down his opponent. Now off the ropes goes Gangrel into a cover, only one. Trying to beat Mulligan at his own game, that high-flying game. And now just sticking to what he used to, puts the boots to him. Now Jet Mulligan not taking it laying down, firing some shots. And now, yank knee! Oh, but Gangrel pops right into a roll-up. Only a 1. Off the ropes again. Lariat once more. That misdirection Lariat serving Jet Mulligan very well. As he turns around once more. Double rotation moonsault. Into the cover. Is the second moonsault enough? No, Gangrel able to get that arm up off the mat. Well, now he needs to get himself up off the mat, get back into this matchup. He lifts him up into the Gourd-Buster GTS. Gangrel climbing. See that big diving thrust kick from Gangrel, nothing flashy about it. But it is effective. Off the ropes, knee to the gut, kick to the back of the skull. Now lifting up Mulligan. Got that Cobra clutch locked in. Jet Mulligan able to escape. Oh, but it gets caught. Northern Lights. And Gangrel's not done. Looking to follow up immediately. Went for the impaler. Gets caught with the setup. Forearm, though, takes down Mulligan. Can't capitalize. And now looking to open up the forehead of Mulligan. But Mulligan sweeps the leg of Gangrel. It goes up top. Could be looking for Welcome to New York. Hits it. Welcome to New York from Mulligan. But it's not enough. Off the ropes. Little moonsault misses. Gangrel just boots him in the jaw. Now it's Gangrel going up top. Double stomp to Mulligan. And now a kick up high. Sends him up and over. And Now just beating in the chest of Mulligan repeatedly. And Gangrel showing no mercy. And now what the hell is this? Oh Jesus, repeated curb stops on the outside. Mulligan on adrenaline right now, the only way he could be standing. And now looking to make Gangrel pay. Mulligan makes his way back into the ring. See him almost beckoning Gangrel in. Gangrel catches him, goes for the impaler. Mulligan fighting his way out of it, trying his best to survive. Catches him, yank knee. Up top. Welcome to New York. What a sequence of events, and Mulligan picks up the win because of it. Blocks the impaler, hits the yank knee, and walks out still alive here in top 8, moving to top 6, where he will either face the Unknown Man or he will get another match with Aaron Westling. A rematch of last month's top 4. Whatever it is, that is next time. This has been now. Jeff Mulligan picking up a huge win. And that's how we're going to be closing off tonight. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. And we'll see you tomorrow for the rest of top 6. And then top 4 the day after that. Until then, I've been your hostess, bidding you a very farewell adieu. Goodbye, everyone.